Hey guys, Jashard from Buy Sell Excel. Just wanted to do a quick follow-up video as the day ended today, which was a phenomenal day with Tesla, UAVS, Apple, and Zoom. Let's take a look at Tesla. Today was the first day of the Tesla stock split, and you can see here around 8:30, Tesla dipped down a little bit, but it was more of a fake out. It wasn't an actual dip. And so you always want to make sure that you're getting that confirmation before you choose to take your profits. That's what we practice and preach at Buy Sell Excel. And so any of the people in our community, this is something that I constantly say is don't get caught on those fake outs. You want to make sure to confirm dips, get those confirmations, watch out for consolidation, and always make sure that you're buying dips and you're taking your profits. Let's go ahead and take a look here at UAVS. UAVS skyrocketed up 23%, which is phenomenal. Another stock that I keep on my watch list, and if you are following our Instagram page, you received updates of me telling you guys to add this to your watch list. This is one that I'm very bullish on and curious to see how tomorrow performs. Let's go ahead and take a look at Aapl. Aapl, another day for them. This is the first day of their stock split, which was still great, right? 3.39% is still good. They are a $2.2 trillion company. So you have to think of that when you are comparing that to other companies as well, right? At the end of the day, stocks, you see here their numbers, but at the end of the day, there's a business that is running, that is underlying all of these numbers, right? And that's the one important thing that you guys need to remember, is that you always want to make sure that you're buying and selling stocks based off of real data, based off of companies in which you believe in, especially if you're a long-term investor, right? It makes investing even that much more fun. And then we have a phenomenal day from Zoom. Zoom went up 8.63%, and then actually went up another 23% at the end of the day, when after hours they went up 75% after announcing phenomenal earnings. This is another one that we have on our watch list at Buy Sell Excel. If you guys do have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Remember to subscribe and follow us on Instagram. That way you don't miss out on any updates. We have a community that is built on helping out each other, and so we're always looking for more people to join the community. Once again, if you do have any questions, just always feel free to reach out. Make sure to comment, subscribe, and smash that like button. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.